Learn about AM and FM radio technology and the functional components used in creating AM/FM receivers and amplifiers. 56-page training course is divided into 9 lessons: Audio Amplifier, AM Detector, AM/F, AM Amplifier, AM Mixer and Oscillator, FM Detector, First FM/F, Second FM/F, FM/RF stages. Superheterodyne designed to receive standard AM and FM broadcast frequencies. New transistor module allows you to switch between the modern integrated circuit (IC) technology and the original transistor technology. Includes radio mounting stand. Please note, the AM/FM radio project is divided into 2 parts, the AM radio section and the FM radio section. Initially, only identify the parts that you will need for the AM radio as listed in the manual. Do not open the bags listed for the FM radio. A separate parts list will be shown for the FM radio after you have completed the AM radio. 9-volt battery needed but not included. Do and learn, soldering required. 56-page training course is divided into 9 lessons. Audio amp, AM detector, AM/F, AM amp, AM mixer and oscillator, FM detector, 2x/FM/F, FM/RF stages. Electronics training course appropriate for high school and university level curriculum. Superheterodyne designed to receive standard AM and FM broadcast frequencies. Superheterodyne receiver of AM and FM broadcast frequencies. Unique PCB design lets you place parts over corresponding symbols on the printed circuit board. Detailed manual is included to provide easy instruction. Theory of operation for each section explains what the stage was designed for, and how it works. For more than 30 years Elenco has been developing reliable and affordable electronic test equipment, tools, and educational kits. Top reviews from the United States. Great fun and a great teaching tool. With this review I hope give you some idea about what this kit does and doesn't do and how it can be a great learning tool for both young and old alike. This kit is very complete. Everything needed for building a complete AM and FM radio is included in the box. All the parts are neatly laid out and placed on cards for easy identification. The construction manual is very easy to follow and it also includes tests needed to be done during the construction process as well as final tuning when complete. The radio's circuit board is laid out as with the AM section on the bottom and the FM on the top of the board. If you follow the manual you will be building the AM section first with the FM section second. This makes the construction easier as both the AM and FM sections of the radio are broken down into small sections, then a test to make sure everything is working before moving to the next section. The manual goes into how and why the circuits and other electronic parts do what they do and how they do it. This kit can be built with just a multimeter or you can also use an oscilloscope for more complete testing and understanding of the parts and circuits, but the oscilloscope is not necessary for the build.